Good evening. I thought we would get an update on the weather, of where we are and what's going on with it. Heavy showers are to the south of us. Just expired is a severe thunderstorm warning that was listed for Clarke County. Although it has expired, it is still beyond heavy rain of what we've got there. We're going to look over that and also the power outages that we have this afternoon. Several of those to the south of Meridian. Let's pull up radar at this point so you'll see what we've got. Here's Honda Meridian radar as we look at Clarke County there. And as you can see, it is covered with rain this afternoon. Let's get a little bit closer look at what we've got going on. This southern portion here from Shubuta northward to the DeSoto community is where this is concentrated on. And again, we've had a thunderstorm warning there for the last 15 minutes that I've been watching. As we see this, we've had several lightning strikes all around the Shubuta area. We had one right there just a few minutes ago strike. Another one over here to the right. Just to the east of downtown Shubuta as we look at this and turn a little bit closer. Let's look at our locations as we pull this on. Here's Jay's Taxidermy. As you go past the front of Jay's there, where you take that left-hand turn to go in and go south on 45 there, it gets heavier and heavier all the way down to the Dollar General. There's another lightning strike that just happened there just east of Shubuta. As we look at all of this, at 2:44, it just struck there. So if you're in Shubuta, there is active lightning happening right now. We don't want you to get struck by anything, get hit. Be careful. Let's go all the way east over to Crandall, these areas here. As we look out to our west, we do have showers coming in right along here, Highway 11 there. This is going to be in the Vossburg area. We've got heavy showers that are still occurring all around the lake. If you're at Lake Edens this afternoon, we've got a lot of it. It's going to be on the south end of the lake and even over to where Paulding is there at the courthouse. Light showers up and around Energy this afternoon, around the church, and over by the Snell Volunteer Fire Department, we got showers. In Lauderdale County, as we'll look at this, we zoom in on the northern end of the county, Chet's Paint and Body, West Lauderdale Elementary showers there. And out to Newton County, we got some showers right out here near Duffy, near the Volunteer Fire Department, just south of there as we see that. Now, as you'll see, we've got a change in this. The Meridian area has been changed to an excessive heat warning. As we look at the temperature right now, which has dropped 84 in Marion. But as we look at this excessive heat warning, it could go all the way up to 115 this afternoon. Again, this rain that has come through has brought things down. Downtown Meridian, right now it's 84, 91. As we go into the heart of these thunderstorms down there, 84 with a heat index of 91 as well there. As we go southward, Taylorsville getting a lot of rain, and we go in deep into Wayne County, there's a lot of rain. Now, as we go back to Clarke County, we just had this pop up here. It's getting a little bit more intense in the southwest corner. Here's Pachuta due south of there, and this is going to be in the Goodwater community. We've got a big storm right there that's coming across. No warnings or anything, but lightning, a lot of strikes dealing with this afternoon. Be careful with this. Now, let's look at the severe chance of weather this afternoon of what we've got. The latest that we have, let's pull up the severe weather. Tomorrow is a little bit worse than what we've got today. Here's the afternoon outlook. This is going to start just inside around Edendale here in Kemper County and go southward all the way down to Wayne County in those areas there. Let's turn on our locations and look at this. If you're sitting at Tucker, anything due south of Tucker is under level 1 this afternoon. This falls from 2 to 10 p.m. Again, that line right there, Edendale, right there in 2 Mile Bottom of what we got in Kemper County. It cuts across and Damascus due east, all of Lauderdale. And as we get down here, and this is going to go a little bit further than I thought. Beaumont, Bacon, McLean, these areas here. Bradley, Mississippi, due south, Highway 57, as you'll look at that. Now, let's move. Again, the timeline of the severe weather this afternoon is 2 to 10. As we look at tomorrow, let's change this. This becomes a level 2 tomorrow. Let's turn off the locations. This level 2 is going to start in Stark Vegas. It will take in all of the Delta and just back into Louisiana and very little of Arkansas. This will come across, take in Jackson, Vicksburg, moves down to Hattiesburg, and then on into Alabama, Enterprise, Ozark, and those areas there, taking in York, Meridian, all the way north. Now, Louisville, you're in this. This will run straight up to Mississippi State. Mississippi State just due south of there, a couple of miles, right around Heritage Colony. And then we get in here around Plum Grove, Mississippi. But all of Knoxville County, Louisville, Winston County, Kemper County, these areas here, a level 2 for tomorrow afternoon. And this also will be a level 2 as we watch the storms for tomorrow. Well, that's what we've got at the moment. Should we have some more severe weather this afternoon, we'll go back in and break in and let you know what's happening. That's the outlook. Let me turn all of that off, and we'll look one last time at radar this afternoon before I let you go and get back to what you were doing. Again, Clarke County being our worst that we've got right now. As we see there, that southern portion of Clarke County, everything from DeSoto to the county line as you go into Wayne County, a lot of rain. And we've got a bunch coming in right here. Lake Edens, Pachuta, these areas here, just south of Lake Edens, Pachuta, y'all be ready. You're going to get some more storms. The worst of the storms that we have, again, the Goodwater community there in Clarke County getting the worst of that. As we look here in Jasper County, we got a lot of rain right there at Barnett. Be careful if you're driving through any of that. So Mississippi showers approaching y'all as well. A little bit there on 84 right outside of Wayne. As we look at Bama, light showers there in Butler. Toxie, you're getting a little bit there at the red light. Not a lot going on. Millery, Jackson, and Thomasville, Alabama getting showers as well. Light activity in northern Lauderdale County and the West Lauderdale area out around Oktibbeha. Nothing bad. And a few showers there around Duffy as we look at Newton County. That's the way it is right now. We'll keep you updated should any of this change. Again, our bad weather hours are 2 to 10 p.m. tonight. And we're right barely into 2 o'clock. We'll watch it and let you know what becomes of this. Races are on. They're going to be taking place tonight at Why Not Motorsports Park. It's beautiful. Going to be the biggest crowd, as Rodney told me a while ago. Said, you ain't seen nothing till you come. It's going to be a big show tonight in Why Not, Mississippi. TV cameras, the whole 9 yards. Y'all go see some great racing tonight. We'll be back as we continue our weather coverage and anything that pops up in our community. We'll be here for you at the Scotty Ray Report.